The Saturate node outputs the values set on its input clamped to a 0 to 1 range, behaving similarly to the clamp node with its min and max set to 0 and 1 respectively. For this example, we'll be generating an alpha mask to be used as an interpolator by a lerp node. Since its alpha input expects a value range of 0 to 1, we'll need to saturate the values it receives so that they won't exceed it. Start by adding 2 texture sample nodes and selecting the rock and grass textures. Add a lerp node, which goes into the albedo and receives the rock sampler in its A input and the grass sampler in the B input. Then open its preview and compile the shader. To set up the alpha mask in order to define the texture blend, we're adding the world position node. We're getting the base gradient that we'll use to interpolate one texture over the object's y-axis in world space. So connect the world position y to the lerp alpha, then compile. The 3D cube texture blend has an expected behavior since, due to its vertices position in the world coordinates, the values received from the world position y component do not exceed the expected range for the lerp alpha, which should be 0 to 1. However, should you move the cube in the positive direction of the y-axis, notice how its blend values are over 1, resulting in a heavy contrast for its grass texture similar to the shader ball. To fix this issue, we'll make use of the Saturate node by placing it in between the world position and lerp nodes, then compiling. The lerp alpha is now receiving constricted values, so the gradient received from the y component always has a minimum and maximum range of 0 and 1, respectively.